Cash App has added the ability to add new branded icons to your card. If you're unfamiliar, Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app, and they have a card that lets you spend your balance. So in the bottom left corner, you'll see my balance is $16, and then next to that is their card. So they'll send you a physical card in the mail that you can use to spend this balance. And you can also get offers and discounts while you're doing so. Now when you get a card, you'll be able to design it however you like. So you can tap design a new card, and they're gonna have a bunch of different options for you. I'm just gonna choose the latest, newest one, which is Tortoise. It's gonna show what your card looks like here. And then you can tap customize card on the bottom. First thing to note is that in the top right corner, you can toggle on and off your cash tag depending if you want that. And they've also added a new pattern section, so you can kind of change the size of this pattern however you like, and then add icons to this as well. So like I can pick a few here, tap add, and it will put them in nice diagonals across your card. I'm gonna undo this, just go back to the normal design screen. And then in the bottom right corner, if you tap this icon, it's gonna allow you to pick whatever icons you wanna add to your card. So a lot of these are the new branded icons that they have. So at the top, you'll see some for the New York Jets and NFL. You'll see some for Shaboozey, which is a music collaboration. There's other music collaborations on here as well. I'm not familiar with all of these. Like there's The Weeknd, Angel, maybe some here for the NBA. There's one that says Miami, and I think there's some for F1 down here as well. And then down below that is just their standard icons that they've always had. But I'm gonna tap add 5, and we can kind of move these around, position them, tilt them, resize them however we want. Design the card however we would like. And you can also draw on this as well. When you're done designing it, tap the check mark in the bottom left corner and you're good to go. It'll show your new design here. And then you can just order the card on the bottom. So there's how to add the new branded icons to your card. I imagine they'll be adding new ones, maybe removing some depending on what partnerships come through. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.